Hello students, welcome to the MHT CET Mathematics sample questions. X is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t, then we have to find d2y by dx2 at t equal to pi by 6, and these are the options that we have. So over here students, the equation that we have is a parametric form, x equal to cos t, y equal to sin t. So before we take derivative, let's try to get rid of x and y. Let's try to rid of the t variable. Over here it's possible because we know that cos square t plus sin square t is equal to 1. So we know that cos square t plus sin square t is equal to 1, which means students we have x square plus y square equal to 1. So this is the given equation, and now we have to find d2y by dx2. So first we'll find dy by dx. We'll differentiate. Derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of y square is 2y, dy by dx, derivative of 1 is 0. We'll take 2x on the other side. So we have 2y dy by dx is equal to minus 2x, and now you divide by 2y students, we will get dy by dx is minus x by y. So once we get the value of dy by dx students, we have to now take the second order derivative. So d2y by dx2 will be equal to, we have minus outside and we will use the u upon v rule, y into derivative of x is 1 minus x into, we have dy by dx upon v square, so that will be y square. So students, this is equal to minus y plus, because minus into minus is plus, x into dy by dx will now replace the value of dy by dx, which is minus x by y, the whole upon y square. So here students we get the answer. After taking LCM, which is y, we get minus y square minus x square upon y into y square is y cube. So this is the final derivative, that is the double order derivative d2y by dx2. Once we get this students, we now have to replace the value of t with pi by 6. You have to realize students, if t is pi by 6, x, which is cos t, will be cos of pi by 6, that is cos of 30. So x will be root 3 by 2. Y students will be equal to, we have sine of pi by 6 and sine of pi by 6 is half. So you have to now complete the calculation students. You have to replace x and y over here. When we replace y with half, this will be minus half square is 1 by 4. X square over here will be 3 by 4 upon y cube will be 1 by 8. In the numerator students, we will simply get minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 is minus 4 by 4, which is minus 1 upon 1 by 8. You take the reciprocal of 1 by 8, the final answer is minus 8. So students, in the options, the correct option is option C, minus 8. With that, we complete this question. Let's now proceed to the next question. The next question that we have is f bar is equal to 4 I cap plus 3 j cap minus 2 k cap, and r bar is equal to 1 I cap plus 0 j cap plus 0 k cap. We have to find vector t bar, and it's given that vector t bar is simply cross product of r bar and f bar. And here these are the 4 options that we have. The students, for cross product, we simply have to take the determinant. So we'll take the determinant of I cap, j cap, k cap being the first row. Over here f bar has coefficients 4, 3 and we have minus 2, and at the end students we have 1, 0 and 0. So when we take the determinant students, over here we will get I cap into 0 minus 0, so that is 0. We have j cap into, this is 0 plus 2, so that is 2, and we have k cap, which is 0 minus 3. So here students will have to put minus in between, and this is going to be plus, which means we are getting that f bar cross r bar is simply equal to minus 2 j cap. So here students, we are getting that f bar cross r bar is equal to minus 2 j cap minus 3 k cap. But we have to find the cross product r cross f. So r cross f, the final answer will be, you just have to change the sign of all terms. So we get 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Checking the option students, the correct option will be option D, 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. With that, we complete this particular question. Let's proceed to the next question. The next question that we have is, we have to find the shortest distance between these two lines. And here, these are the 4 options that we have. Now, first of all students, you have to realize that for both the 3D lines, the b bar vector is a scalar multiple of each other, which means these two lines are parallel because 2i cap plus 3j cap plus 4k cap and 4i cap plus 6j cap plus 8k cap are scalar multiples of one another, which means they are parallel to one another. So we are talking about parallel lines over here. So here students, the formula for distance is mod of a2 bar minus a1 bar cross product with b bar upon magnitude of b bar. So first of all students, let us calculate a2 minus a1. So here a2 bar minus a1 bar will be 2i cap plus 4j cap plus 5k cap minus I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So 2 minus 1 will be 1 I cap, 4 minus 2 will be 2 j cap, and 5 minus 3 will be 2 k cap. Further students, we have to calculate the dot product with b bar, and that dot product will simply be magnitude of determinant. So over here students, the coefficients of a2 bar minus a1 bar will be the second row, that is 1, 2 and 2, and here we have b bar students, which we can take any one of the two values. I am choosing this to be the b bar. So we have 2, 3 and 4. We will solve this determinant students. So over here we get I cap, over here we have 2 into 4 which is 8 minus 2 into 3 which is 6, we have minus j cap, this is 1 into 4 which is 4 and minus 2 into 2 which is 4, and we have plus k cap into 1 into 3 is 3 minus 2 into 2 is 4. So the final answer for this determinant students will be 2 I cap plus 0 j cap, and this is going to be minus k cap. Further students, will have to find the magnitude of this cross product. So magnitude of this vector, that is a2 bar minus a1 bar cross product with b bar, is going to be root of 2 square plus minus 1 the whole square. So this is going to be root 5. That leaves us with the last step students. We have magnitude of b bar in the denominator, and that will simply be root of, we have b bar which is 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be root of 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. So here students, this will be root of 4 plus 9 plus 16, and that will give us root of 29. So the final distance will be root of 5 divided by root of 29. So the answer is square root of 5 by 29. Checking the option students, the correct answer is option B, root of 5 by 29. With that, we complete this particular question. Let us now proceed to the next question. The next question that we have is sine 5x is dash, and these are the 4 options that we have. So we have to find the correct answer for sine 5x. Let us solve this students. Now sine 5x can be written as sine of 3x plus 2x. And now we have to use the compound angle formula. The compound angle formula will be sine 3x cos 2x plus cos 3x sine 2x. And further students, we have to use the triple angle and the double angle formula everywhere. Now sine 3x is given by the formula 3 sin x minus 4 sine cube x. Cos 2x is given by the formula 1 minus 2 sine square x. Further, we have cos 3x which is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and student sine 2x is simply 2 sin x cos x. And now we have to expand all the brackets. So 3 sin x into 1 is 3 sin x. We have 3 sin x into minus 2 sin square x, which is minus 6 sin cube x. Minus 4 sin cube x into 1 will be minus 4 sin cube x. Minus 4 into minus 2 will be plus 8, and sin cube into sin square will be sin raised to 5x. Coming to the other part students, we have 4 cos cube x into 2 sin x cos x, so that will be 8 cos raised to 4x sin x, and minus 3 cos x into 2, so this is going to be minus 6 sin x cos square x. We'll proceed students. Now from these two terms we can take minus 6 sin x common, So first we copy 3 sin x. From these two underlined terms, we take minus 6 sin x common, and do you realize, students, in the bracket we will get sin square x plus cos square x. Further, students, we copy minus 4 sin cube x, and over here we have plus 8 sin raised to 5x plus 8 cos raised to 4x sin 5x. From here we can take 8 sin x common, and in the bracket we get sin raised to 4x plus we have cos raised to 4x. And now we are supposed to simplify this further, students. Now here in the bracket sin square x plus cos square x, we can simply write 1, which means, students, we are left with 3 sin x plus into minus, so we have minus 6 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. We can just copy that as it is, and in the last term, students, we have plus 8 sin x, which is multiplied with this, and this, students, is a formula. We can simply write sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x as sin square the whole square plus cos square the whole square, which means it is a square plus b square formula. A square plus b square is simply a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Do you realize, students, a plus b the whole square will make this sin square x plus cos square x the whole square, which is 1. So we have 1 minus we have 2ab, so 2 into sin square x cos square x. When we solve this further, students, we have 3 sin x minus 6 sin x, which is minus 3 sin x. We have minus 4 sin cube x. When you open the brackets, this is going to be plus 8 sin x, and we have minus 16 sin cube x into cos square x. Now minus 3 sin x plus 8 sin x will be 5 sin x. From the other part, students, we can take minus 4 sin cube x common, which means we will be left with 1 plus 4 cos square x. And here, students, we can finally replace cos square x with 1 minus sin square x. So I want you to carry the calculation. When you complete the calculation, you check the options. So the correct answer is going to be option A, which is 5 sin x minus 20 sin cube x plus 16 sin raised to 5x. With that, we complete this question. So here, students, the question is, we have to find the angle between the lines represented by this joint equation, and these are the 4 options that we have. Now we have a direct formula, students, for the angle. Tan theta is equal to 2 root of h square minus ab upon a plus b, and this will be in modulus because we always consider acute angle. So over here, students, we have a, which is coefficient of x square, that is 1, b is coefficient of y square, which is 6, and the coefficient of xy is 2h. So 2h is 5, which means h is 5 by 2. So now, students, we'll just substitute all the values. We will get 2 root of h square will be 5 by 2 ka square, so that is 25 by 4, minus a into b will be 6, the whole upon a plus b. When you solve this further, students, this is 2 into root of, you take LCM, 4 into 6 is 24, 25 minus 24 is 1, so 1 upon 4 upon 7. So this is 2 into half upon 7, this gets cut, the final answer is 1 by 7. So tan theta is 1 by 7, which means theta is tan inverse of 1 by 7. So the correct answer is option C, tan inverse of 1 by 7.